Okay, so today we will see the first experiment in the digital communication lab. So the first object is to study the generation of unipolar NRZ and RZ line coding scheme. Okay, so the term here line coding, what it means? It means that it converts the digital bit sequence given here 1 0 0 1 0. So it will convert the bit sequence into the digital waveform. So this is the main function of this line coding. Okay. So in this line coding, this is unipolar. Unipolar means what? 1 and 0. In digital there is 2 bit only, 0 and 1. So 0 is represented by 0 level. That means here 0 is represented with either positive amplitude or negative amplitude. Okay. So here positive amplitude is shown here, but you can also choose the negative amplitude also. So either of the two, either positive or negative amplitude is selected for 1. So here is the case 1 0 0 1 0. So this is NRZ scheme. NRZ means what? Non-return to 0. This is non-return to 0. Okay. So this is the bit pulse duration. This is the pulse duration for individual bit. This is for 0, this is for 1. Okay. So this is NRZ. NRZ means what? The waveform will continue over the complete bit pulse. This is the bit pulse for this one, and the consecutive, the next bit is 0. So it will goes for complete. It will goes for complete because it is 0. Again next bit is 1, so here it will start for positive amplitude and goes for complete bit pulse. And after the bit pulse completed, it will return to 0 because the next bit is 0. So this is for NRZ scheme, where we can see here. Okay. So this is the NRZ scheme for unipolar. Waveform is for NRZ non-return to 0. The next one is for return to 0. Okay. So return to 0 means what? For 0, it is represented with 0 only. Okay. The difference is for bit pulse 1. The sequence is for bit 1. Here we can see for it goes high for half of the bit pulse. Okay. So this is complete bit pulse. If this is TB, so this is TB by 2. This is TB upon 2. So half bit pulse it goes high, otherwise it will go low. That means it returns to 0 after half bit pulse. This is bit 0, bit 0. It will goes at level 0, and after that the next bit is 1. If the next bit is 1, so it goes high, and after half of the bit duration, it again goes low, and it continues go low because the next bit is 0. So this is the return to 0 scheme. Okay, so this is the kit. Santec ST2106 is the kit that is used for data formatting and carrier modulation transmitter trainer. That is written here. So this is the kit. This is your function generator. Okay, from here we can generate our data. So this is the data which will be generated from the generator, and that is given to the input side. Okay, and this is the clock. And one ground, this is the ground wire, and this is the also ground. So the common is ground is common for all. So this is we have set our bit pattern like 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. We have set here the clock. Now the data clock is given to the NRZ L. Okay, so this is non-return to Z. L is level only. Okay. So this is for unipolar. So if the output from here we will get, and this output is given to the DSO, digital oscilloscope. This is digital oscilloscope from where we will get the output. Okay. So if we take the output from NRZ, okay, so from here we can see this. Okay. So this is NRZ scheme. Output is here. This is the same pattern which we have seen from our theoretical part. So here we can see this is our first one is clock, and the next the load, that means the second waveform is from what we have get the output from NRZ. So we can see from for 1 this is 1. When the output, when the clock is 0, the output is also 0. Clock is 1, this is 1. Clock 0, this is also 0. So the bit pattern of our outputs from NRZ will be same as the bit pattern of the clock. So this is all about the NRZ scheme. So this is for NRZ, but when we will see for RZ scheme return to 0, so it will only goes for if the bit sequence is 1. So after half of the bit pulse, that means from here half of the bit pulse it will goes down, and for 0 it will 0. And again if the next bit is 1, so for that it will goes high and remains high for half of the bit pulse, half of the duration of the bit, and after that it will goes low, and they follow the same pattern as we have seen previously in the theoretical class. Okay. The unipolar RZ and NRZ line coding scheme. Okay. Thank you.